Hello everyone and welcome to today's session. And today we are going to be doing our vocabulary module number 17. So we had been doing the other vocabulary modules. I hope you are following the whole playlist that is there. So from 1 to 16 we have already completed and we are into vocabulary 17 today, and I will share my screen and we will start off straight away. So the first word is to quibble. Now, quibble is to be angry or to complain about something very small, trivial, irrelevant, but you're just, fighting, quarreling about something. My neighbors are always quibbling with each other, or you say, my sisters are always quibbling with each other, or the small children are always quibbling with each other, means fighting or arguing about a very, very small or irrelevant matter. And then the kind of synonyms that would be there would be to niggle. Again, niggling is something very irritating and very small, but very, very irritating. So niggling you could use, or bickering. Bicker is also to fight over small things. To criticize, meaning to complain. And opposite obviously will be to praise, to compliment, to be happy with each other. To applaud means again to praise. So this is your quibble or quibbling, as we say, a small argument or keeping on complaining, going on complaining about anything. The next word is to rankle. So rankle is to make angry and to make somebody irritated or annoyed or angry. So he was rankled by something, he was rankled by the behavior of his children, means he became angry or became very irritated because of somebody's behavior. So outrage, and outrage again, temper. When you show your temper, you're displeased. Infuriate. Infuriate comes from the word fury, which means anger, and enrage again comes from the word rage. Outrage, enrage, so you're very, very angry, and that's what is the word rancor. And opposite is to make happy, delighted, comfort, placate, calm down somebody. So that's the opposite, that is the antonym of this one. Then the next word is a very different word. We normally don't use it, and it's called a sable. Now, sable is basically the fur of a small cat, weasel-like creature. But here, sable is more used in the sense of something which is dark colored and ebony colored. Ebony is again a dark wood, or a pitch black, dark colored thing is the color of soot or coal, as you see. Soot is that deposit which goes on the lamps, etc. The black thing that comes out of a candle or of a fire, the black specks that come out, those are called as soots. So sorry, soot. And coal again, so if you burn up coal, the soot is also there and the coal is also there. So the color black, actually, basically, or the very, very dark blackish color, is sable colored, you would say, or ebony colored, or coal colored, black colored. All right. So these are the synonyms also. And opposite will be white or light colored, brilliant and bright. Then the next word is termagant. Termagant or termagant also sometimes we pronounce it as, meaning a very, very angry, bad-tempered woman. So, when you see me angry sometimes, you could call me that, and I hope you don't see me angry. But then, yeah, everybody gets angry sometimes. But somebody who's always bad-natured and shouting and irritated all the time will be called, and this is especially used for women. So even a shrew is again a very cunning and very angry kind of a woman. A vixen, is again somebody like, doing magic and bad natured, that kind of a person. Somebody who's very angry, so furious, or harpy, again you would use it in that sense. And opposite would be somebody who praises, or somebody who's a good natured person, a pleasant woman, etc., would be antonym of this. So you could actually use this the whole story here now. So the termagant woman, the termagant lady who had a sable colored, who wore a sable colored dress, was quibbling all the time because she was rankled by anything. So this woman, who's an angry woman, termagant, was had a who wore a dark colored dress, sable colored, was rankled, used to quibble, means she used to complain all the time, and get rankled means get angry very, very soon. So you could imagine any woman who's like that and create the whole vocabulary learning on that, right? So that is all for this recording of mine. We'll be back soon, and keep revising. Please keep revising, and make sure that you're also subscribing to the channel, and please share it with your friends if you like it worth the while, because it's more fun if more people watch. And please also keep commenting and liking. Thank you very much. Bye bye, take care.